Oh, there we go. Oh, Charlie, don't bother. Not funny, not mature. You're just annoying, let's face it.
What are you all trying to do here by taking
I don't know, they're trying to put me on YouTube.
Oh, is that the idea?
I think so, yeah. That's why they're so cool.
And how did you end up on YouTube and this other thing they did then?
Don't know.
Peter Rolls. Peter Griffiths.
Peter Griffiths just copied it.
Peter Griffiths is a twat.
Oh, that's good on Facebook.
Yeah, I just recorded that. I'm going to post that on Peter Griffiths' Facebook.
Oh no.
What did
Oh,
you get?
no.
He just said Peter Griffiths.
Oh no! He's gonna beat me up! Yeah! Oh no! He's a hard kid! I don't want to get hurt by Peter!
I know you
No!
were saying that.
What a hard kid! Oh yeah, what a hard kid! He's so hard! You're so hard, you slapped me in the face. Look, Sam, just stop videoing me. Sam, stop videoing me. Charlie's just
Wait,
trying
why are
to
you
blend
touching
in.
his leg?
Wait, touching me, don't touch me.
Look, Sam, just...
What is his seatbelt supposed to do?
Oh, I don't know, trying to look at the phone out his hand.
The seatbelt? Why you just do it with your hand?
Well, oh, I don't know, maybe because I can't let it reach. Look, just stop recording me, right? Elliot, you're not funny, you're just trying to blend in and trying to be cool, you're not.
I'm blending. I'm blending in. I'm blending
Mike, you
into
work on the
car.
basis if you just ignore it and don't do anything.
Well, I can't really do that.
They ain't gonna waste any more time videoing you because they're gonna look the fools putting it on, aren't
He's correct.
Don't just listen to your music and then talk.
Can't be natural.
they? Be natural, yeah.
Hilarious.
That wasn't natural. Yeah, that wasn't natural. That was a natural, dude.
Hey, look at that view out the window.
Oh yeah, fascinating.
Mikey Kingsley, freak of nature.
Not really. Freak of mankind.
What?
Get it right.
Did you just say freak?
Freak of mankind.
Oh, alright, okay, that's fine.
Freak of nature, yeah. So I come from nature, don't I?